Well, for me, it's, every business owner or anybody who's running a business, they'll probably know their business inside out, but they'll also probably be bound by ways of operating and procedures that they've had in place, for however many years. And I think the main thing is to obviously try out Flowlens and try and go into it with a bit of an open mind, not be too stubborn about how the business does what it does and how it's done it for many years, because actually I think Flowlens and the workflow through Flowlens would probably increase efficiency and speed things up for any organisation, certainly in the engineering sector.